Alright, today's video number 2 of our family law and real estate series. So yesterday's video got a lot of interest and piqued a lot of different queries. And so the main question was, Nandishi, if I'm a listing salesperson and I need to list a property, what do I need to look out for when I'm dealing with somebody who may or may not be married? I walk through the property, I see photos of family members, I see children. The person's telling me they are or they're not a spouse. Can we qualify the different scenarios?
Absolutely. So when you are listing a house, you have to first understand who the owner of the house is. Who's listed as legal owner on title. If you're married, it doesn't matter if only one person is listed. Both spouses need to give you consent in order to list that house. That's what we call a matrimonial home. It carries different property rights altogether. So you do need the consent of both a husband and wife before you can list the home, regardless of whoever is on title. Now, if you have someone who's living in a common law situation, different property rights do arise. It's always best practice at that point to get the consent of the person who's not on title, because there could be other considerations that we need to follow up with. But again, there's no set property rights like they are for married couples.
Okay, alright, that's another video. So just to reaffirm what Nandishi just said, check title, go to Geo Warehouse or Public Records and confirm who the actual owners are, and get a copy of the deed that they registered when they purchased the home. If both parties are on title, you need full execution. If you see that one party's not on title, ask the person, are you a spouse? If they say that they're a spouse, the second question you want to qualify is the property a matrimonial home? If both of those tests are affirmative and affirmative, spousal consent will be required. And again, for good measure, if they are not legally married but have been cohabiting or have children and there's some sort of permanence in the relationship, call Nandishi to qualify your transaction. And as a good measure and good practice, you do want to get those consents anyway. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.